The AGA Tools Pre-Oiling Kit is designed to pre-oil an engine after repairs has been performed to avoid engine damage. For example, if you've had the oil pan or any other component removed from the engine that causes the oil to drain down, starting the engine and having a delay in oil pressure could cause huge damage. The pre-oiling kit is designed to work in conjunction with the clean oil change pump. Here we have an engine that has been disassembled, so you can see what happens on the inside when we are using the pre-oiling kit. Add oil through the oil filler cap until the engine is at the correct level. Here, I'm just pouring it directly into the pan. Connect the drain tool to the clean oil drain plug. Keep turning the knob until the O-ring is fully compressed. Connect the inlet hose to the pump like this. Turn the knob, that opens the valve and allows oil to flow into the pump. Remove the oil pressure switch. Install the supplied fitting into the oil pressure switch port and tighten. Now that we're connected, the oil will flow from the oil pan through the tool into the pump, out of the pump into the 3-micron filter, which prevents any debris and contamination from entering into the engine. We can monitor the pressure right here in the gauge as it goes into the oil switch port. Having it connected like this allows you to run the system for several minutes until the engine is completely lubricated. The pump has a 45 psi pressure relief valve, which takes away the chance of you overpressuring the engine. Because we're connected to the pan, the engine can flow around in a circle without overfilling the engine. If you do not have a clean oil drain plug installed in the pan, you can take the tool and insert it into a can and suck the oil out from there. Just know you quickly go through a lot of oil and there is a chance of sucking air and also overfilling the engine. As the pre-oiling takes place, you'll see the pressure comes up. In this case, approximately 35 psi. The pressure will vary from engine to engine. Cam journals, lifters, and rocker arms are all getting pre-oiled, and as you can see here, the oil is running into the cylinder head valley and down into the crankcase. Oil is flowing out of the rod bearings, the main bearings, and the oil pump. Now the engine is pre-lubricated. All there is left to do is remove the oil hoses, install the oil pressure switch, and the engine is safe to start. For more information about the AGA Pre-Oiling Kit, go to agatools.com. There you can also find more information about the entire Clean Oil series.